Building the ultimate Ram 1500 TRX, forged 4x4's creative mods. Forged 4x4's modified TRX pumps out 742 HP and has the best mods money can buy. The best part is it's being given away for free. There's something just a little unbelievable about a 6,800-pound pickup truck being able to out-accelerate sports cars. But the Hellcat-powered 2022 Ram 1500 TRX does exactly that. The TRX's 0 to 60th time of 4.5 seconds claimed, and 3.7 seconds as tested, makes it one of the quickest pickup trucks in the world. And California-based Forged 4x4 has given it more power. The modified Ram 1500 TRX Level 2, named Cerberus, now puts out 742 HP thanks to an upgraded intake, exhaust and tune, which no doubt cements its position as the quickest gas-powered truck on just about any road. But what makes this build even more special is that it's even more capable now of carrying those insane speeds off-road and pretty much anywhere. The build sheet for this truck is pretty exhaustive and covers everything from new off-road springs, forged wheels, and 37-inch tires to a serious audio and off-road light setup. This means you're not likely to be outrun out in the desert by anything. Not even a 2023 Ford Raptor R. Just keep your eyes peeled for them UFOs. They're the only thing likely to be quicker than this forged 4x4 1500 TRX in the desert. Forged 4x4 has been building some pretty cool off-roaders over the years, like the twin-turbo Ford Bronco wheel track showcased at SEMA 2022. Keeping with tradition, this 2022 Ram TRX only gets the best parts in the business to help unlock its potential to levels we're not sure many people knew existed. The stock TRX 18-inch wheels and 35-inch tires are swapped out for 20-inch forged wheels and 37-inch Cooper Rugged Trek MT rubber. Stronger, lighter wheels and more sidewall mean the ability to take more of a bashing off-road. And on the suspension side, adding to the excellent factory-installed adaptive Bilstein dampers, Cerberus is rocking a 3-inch Geyser spring kit and adjustable Panhard bar kit to make up for the increased lift. In case you're wondering, this wheel/tire package fits perfectly.